Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So your Wi-Fi icon is not showing, so no worry about that. First click to start, type device manager and find out the network, extract. So wireless, VLAN, Wi-Fi, it is the same. Okay. So right click to uninstall. Okay. And then after that click to action and then click to scan hardware changes. So again come this and then close it, then you can see Wi-Fi icon show, and it is still same issue. So click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage, some corrupted windows file, windows dial file, so it will restore it. Okay, so minimize is next need to install the Wi-Fi driver. So click to start, and you don't know aware about your model number, your laptop, so you can just right click to go to device manager and then extract network, select the Wi-Fi, right click property, then driver and update driver, update automatically. So it's not installing, then click to device and select hardware ID, hardware IDs, then double click to open and right click to copy and search in the Google search box, so you can download this driver. Okay, otherwise you know the model number of your laptop. So like I'm using Asus, so if you are using Dell and HP and other, so you can type like this and then go to this official website. After that slow down and it will so detect automatically, detect the laptop serial and then accept, then click to start. Okay, then this is your laptop tag and then click on the driver tool, scroll down, select the operating system Windows 10 11, scroll down, this is VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. You can more options, more detail, show all. So you can see this is older one, this is Ethernet. Okay, so try to download latest one, click to download, it will start download and it will show like this. Just click on it. After that it will come the installations window, and if you want to change the language you can, otherwise click to OK, then next, I accept, next, install, install and install. Okay, now this is extracting. After a few seconds it will detect and install and restart. Yes, restart now and then click to finish and then restart and then please check it. Thank you.